Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix black bars on stretched resolution Apex Legends. Now to fix this, the first thing that you want to do is to simply navigate through the NVIDIA control panel. Now if you don't know how to, you can just go ahead and right click on your desktop right here, and then you want to select the NVIDIA control panel. So basically right after that, we then want to navigate through the change resolution option. And from here, you can just go ahead and basically create your own stretch resolution. Right after, you then want to navigate through the adjust desktop size and position. And basically right after that, you will be able to go ahead and make these changes right here. So once inside the adjust display size and position, you then want to make sure that you go ahead and select full screen right here. Right after selecting on full screen, you then want to select on display, and you want to go ahead and make sure that you override the scaling mode set by games and programs, so it will only go ahead and follow the NVIDIA control panel right here. Once again, you always want to make sure that you select your resolution, click on apply, and from there you then want to go ahead and match those resolutions to the Apex Legends settings, and from there you are basically good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.